guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do the new trending scrapbook style photo dump edit that is taking over Instagram Reels and TikTok. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do to ensure this is the easiest, smoothest edit for you as possible is to make sure you take the photos that you're going to want to use for this and just put them off to the side. You can either favorite them or put them in a separate folder just for this edit. Now this edit only has about 5 steps. One step is going to be before you actually go into the video editing app itself, and then the other 4 steps are in the video editor, and they are very repetitive. Once you do them, you're going to do them again and again and again until you're out of photos or you run out of audio. So for this edit, you're going to start by making transparent cutouts of different parts of your images. I'm going to be using Picsart for that, but this is a premium feature on Picsart's app. Basically, for every picture that you're going to use in this edit, you're going to also have a cutout version of it, and you can cut out whatever element of the photo you want to cut out. It can be sneakers, it can be a person's face, a drink, fingernails, a pet, the sun. It really doesn't matter, but you're going to do one of those for every single picture that you have. Now, if you don't want to pay for Picsart, there are a ton of other apps in the App Store. Just search background remover and they will remove the background for you, but it is going to be a little bit more tedious, which is why I like to use Picsart because they make it more seamless to do so. And this is a quick edit, so don't worry about making sure that your cutouts are like totally perfect and like the edges are refined. Like, they can look a little sloppy because the edit goes by so quickly, no one's really gonna notice. And then once you've made cutouts for all the corresponding photos you're going to use in the edit, go ahead and add those to your folder with the other photos so it's easier to access. Next, you're going to open up your video editor of choice. I'm going to be using Videoleap for this tutorial, and you are going to extract the audio you want to use. I've seen people do this edit with a lot of different audio, so I believe it's more so the edit that's trending and not necessarily the sound. But if you want to use the exact audio of someone else who is doing this same edit, you're going to follow the steps of clicking on the clip itself, clicking extract audio, making sure you remove that dead sound area where there's that little TikTok watermark if there is one, and then you're going to move forward with importing your clips. So this video edit is split into 3 parts. There's the original photo, the second original photo's cutout, and the second original photo. Now right now I'm splitting up this footage of another person who's done this trend just so you guys can see how these 3 parts work. To start out, you're going to pick the picture that you want to appear first. Now this one is going to loop, so make sure it's one you really like. One thing you want to make sure you do if your video editor doesn't do this automatically is you want to make sure that your picture and your cutout fill the entire frame. After you add in your first picture, you are going to pick a different picture and add in the cutout of that photo. So I'm going to use my lemon cutout, and make sure you click it to transform it so that it fills the entire frame, unless the app does this for you. And I know you guys see me like shortening and deleting clips. Don't worry about that. That's just so they line up with the sections that I made. If you're not gonna have your video overlap somebody else's, you wouldn't need to do that. And you guessed it, after the lemon cutout, I'm going to add in the original photo of the lemon. So essentially what this edit is a cutout appears, and then the background of the photo that the cutout came from appears, and then a new cutout appears, and then the photo that came from appears, and so on and so forth. The next cutout is of Mochi. So we're going to transform it to fit, and then we're going to add in the cutout of Mochi, then we're going to add in the original photo of Mochi, and underneath the cutout of Mochi is going to be the full lemon picture. And then you repeat these steps. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, but the directions are written out on the screen. When you've added all the pictures you want to add, or you've run out of audio, it's time to end the video and do the loop. So you're going to now add in the cutout of the very first picture in the video. Make sure that it overlays the picture that comes before it. Export it, and then you can open it in TikTok to see the final video with the loop. And that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't take you too long at all to do this edit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.